Hi guys, this case is about the Nature Center at Mont Saint-Hilaire. How far? Harvard Case Solution and Analysis. Nature Center was a non-profit organization created in 1972 to manage public relations and access to the Gault Nature Reserve on Mont Saint-Hilaire Mountains, 40 kilometers south of Montreal. For preservation and recreation, in 2001 a new mission is to promote the conservation of the natural environment of the region. The inclusion of this new regional focus has led to a set of Marc-André Gurdon and creation of conservation team. For more details you can visit www.TheCaseSolutions.com. Thanks for watching this video.